Okay, Vicki, this is Nebulizing 101, and this is the nebulizer liquid that you're going to be using in the machine and some of the parts that go with it. You're actually going to pour the liquid into one of these vessels here, and hold on just a minute, I'm going to get Debbie to hold it and I can pour it in there. I'm going to use this one today. I'm going to pour in here. You'll be able to see when you see it. When you're actually here, you can see lines to show where you're going to be filling it up. You don't want to fill it all the way up. It's about a fourth of the way, I guess. And I'm going to put this top on it and plug it into this end of the tube. The tube goes to the actual nebulizer, which is plugged in here. And I'm going to turn it on. It's plugged in to the socket. I'm sure you can't see it on the video necessarily, but there's a steam that's coming out, and what we want to do is put it in with the baby right here. I'm going to pull that out so we can get it through the cage here. And I'm trying to figure out how I did it before to make it stay up, because you don't want it to spill over. Okay, that's not working. We're gonna have to work on it to figure out how to make that stay up. We'll probably have to put a clip or something on it. And what we're doing is trying to get as much into the kitty's nose as we can. But since you're not gonna be able to sit and hold it for it to go right into the nose, we're trying to get as much into the container as we can, so that it helps the kitty. And then we're covering it to try to make as much stay in there as possible. And since we're doing it this way, what I would consider is maybe doing it 2 doses. After this finishes, fill it up again like we did, and do it all over again. The other containers are the same thing. You're going to put the liquid in here, put this on top of it, and it's the same thing, whether you're placing it on, directly into the cat's nose so that it goes in there, or you're going through the cage. And then I also have the actual face mask that I don't use this part on the cat. This is going to screw on to here. Anyway, that gives you 3 options, but I would really recommend, since we're doing it this way while you're cleaning, we're going to figure out how to plug that up, that you do 2 doses. If you have any questions, just give me a call, 571-1628. Now, when I did him earlier, he let me hold him and do it right into his nose. But that does take some time. So if you want to do it this way, and this works also, we just do 2 doses. Thank you, ma'am.